Here are the speakers from that Panasonic TV that I took apart on camera a few months ago. And today is the day. Today is the day that I test these things on camera. You know, I've been busy with school and finals and all that fun stuff. And also, I lost my camera too, so I finally have a new camera. Summer has begun, and man, I got so much stuff to make videos of. I have a Sansui Pure Power DC receiver. I have some old West German bronze speakers. I have some Toshiba TV speakers that look just like this. So if you're a subscriber, you got some good stuff coming, and if you're not a subscriber, well, feel free to pause this video and go click that button right there, alright? So subscribe if you haven't, and yeah. So the speakers here are two-way, ported type. The port is at the top right there and extends down to about right here, around where the dust cap is. The woofers have a rubber surround and are rectangular, which is pretty neat. And the kind of mid-range tweeters have a cloth surround that do not dimple because they're small. So, now on to the test. I'm going to play the Payday soundtrack, The Mark. It's a great song for testing speakers. And yeah, and any of these songs in my videos, if you want to listen to them or use them for testing speakers, they can all be found on my playlist on my channel, Songs to Test Speakers. I add songs that I think you guys would like, just in general, so stay tuned and keep checking that playlist. Alright, here we go. These things have awesome bass, by the way. Now, these things do sound pretty good, and I'd say they're my number 2 best TV speakers. So, my number 1 best TV speakers are the Sony XBR system from the KV27 XBR 55 system. And yeah, so you can follow me on Instagram at the Speaker Seeker, and rate, comment, and subscribe.